Gavin here from the Growing Younger team, and really excited today to do a quick review on these awesome Swolefoods meals. So what's really cool about these meals is that I met with the CEO of the company, Taz, and we have done a bit of a joint venture thing together with our gym and his meals. And like, he started out a couple of years ago, fantastic, saw a need for healthy meal alternatives for people in the gym who are active. And ultimately what happened is he created these Swolefoods, and I gotta be honest, they're absolutely amazing. So they're frozen, okay? They're frozen meals. They come in a couple of different variations. Butter chicken, believe it or not, is a low carb range, okay? So I'm going to take you through what it's got in the front of the thing. Okay, so it's got everything in there, all natural, high protein meal, which is really cool. So you've got 36 grams of protein per sort of meal. There's only 5.4 grams of sugar and 6.8 grams of fat. Okay, and you can see this is the low carb version, all right? So when you open it up, you've got these two little compartments, and that's how it looks. So what I really liked about these meals to start with is what the guys actually do is that they quality manage their meals, and they send them off for analysis to make sure that the calorie ratio is absolutely right. With food labels all over the world, they're always wrong. So I love the fact that they actually take the effort to calorie control these and get them checked out to make sure that what they say on the packet is actually what you're getting. So again, they're really straightforward. Put them in the freezer, and you literally, make them up. So what I'm going to do in a second, I'm going to have one. I'm going to put it in the microwave, and then I'm going to give you a bit of a taste test, tell you what I think, and then let you know if you need to get them or not. So while that meal is being zapped in the microwave, I'm going to quickly tell you what's on the back of this. Okay, so this butter chicken meal is 323 calories, which is perfect. 36 grams of protein, 13 grams of fat, 12 grams of carbohydrates, 5 grams of sugar. Okay. Now what I really like about that is that this is perfect for me. So for me, somebody that is moderately active, I exercise usually every single day, but I do spend a lot of time sitting down. So it doesn't mean I can go crazy on my diet. So what that means is, for me, I eat about 2,000 calories per day. This meal of about 323 calories is absolutely perfect for me. It's a good lunch, keeps you full. There's lots of fiber and protein in it to keep you full for the long term. So it's a really good option for you. I think the active ranges, or the balanced ones, the middle ones, can range between 5 to about 600 calories. So that's probably a little bit much for me generally, although I do have them. But this one is perfect. This is, like I said, 323 calories, keep me full until a mid-afternoon snack, and that's it. It's good. All right, team. So I'm going to open this up now. It's bloody hot. Took about 5 minutes in the end, but that's absolutely fine. You can see, woohoo, the steam coming off it. 5 minutes is pretty good, And then obviously the tray is a little bit warped, but that's fine. So as you can see, okay, that's pretty straightforward. You got the big, awesome portion of protein and meat in there, the sauce and the veggies, fantastic. So I'm going to give this a bit of a go, and I'm going to let you know how it goes. So I'm going to give this a bit of a go. It's on the plate because it's bloody hot. Okay. Try a bit of the chicken first. So to be honest, it tastes absolutely awesome. Is it the same as like a takeaway from an Indian restaurant? Nah, it's not meant to be like that. It's absolutely a great meal, and for 323 calories, you're not going to get much better than this from any frozen meal you're going to find in the supermarket. You've got a big bunch of veg here. You've got some green beans, you've got some cauliflower, and to be honest with you, if you wanted to bulk this out a little bit, you could chuck in some extra frozen veggies if you needed to. Give it a mix, but to be honest with you, this is a great meal. So that was that. It's good. Definitely recommend it. Like I said, they got different flavors. You got pulled pork and all sorts of stuff. I'll do a couple of reviews on the other ones as we go forward, but definitely worth it. I think if you're looking for a very convenient, healthy meal, high in protein, low in carbs, it's going to keep you full till dinner time or till your next meal, these are way good for you. Really convenient as well. It took me 5 minutes, it was done. So, like I said, and if you do want to try these out, we get a bit of a discount. It's a GY21. You can pop that in at the calendar, the checkout down below. The link is down below as well. Give it a try. Honestly, you won't be disappointed. So that's my review of the butter chicken. 8 out of 10. Definitely give it a go.